This just provides a brief overview of the committee scheduling template for publication of documents happening in 2027. This one's coming up fast. So just to take note here, if you're publishing in 2027, essentially you've stopped adding new material and putting the final touches on your material by the end of 2025. So you finish up your letter ballots, you finish up your last resolution of negatives at the fall convention, and you may have a virtual meeting before that to help finish up any items. And then shortly after the fall convention, you're preparing to send your updated document to TAC. At this point, TAC reviews and will send comments back on their cycle. The next step will be you'll take the TAC comments and respond to them from the committee and vote on these. Next step is similarly goes out for public comment. You will get the public comments back after that cycle is complete and provide responses and vote on those responses for public comments. At that point, the final revised document is going to move on to staff for publication. So for this 2027 publication, we essentially need to have the document finished at the end of 2025. Reach out to your staff liaison or any of our engineering staff if you have any questions on this one coming up. After your 2027 publication, I've gone ahead and included a tab on the next 6-year cycle just for planning purposes and so that you can see what the cycle looks like over the long haul. And essentially, it's set up so that you have letter ballots with multiple change proposals as needed in the spring and a fall to coincide with resolving negatives at the conventions. You can also have summer ballots or other types of ballot, other timing on ballots, and you can resolve those with a virtual meeting, which helps keep things fresh in everyone's mind if you do that quickly after a ballot has closed. Or those can be held and you can resolve multiple letter ballot negatives at a convention. So this just provides the overview for you, and reach out if you have any questions.